does this happen? Hey guys, it's a Vlogmas. That is a slidey rug. It's Vlogmas day 5. Anyway, I'm gonna hop in the car now and head to Asda. So let's go check out some of their Christmas decorations. I'm on a budget, but they did have some really cute stuff. So I'm gonna go see if I can find any of that. Also, I'm gonna go get my passport done. That's at 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦 randomly. Did not realise how expensive they were, but yeah, I'm due a new passport, so gonna go get that. So let's head out into this horrible weather. Right, let's go. It's so windy. So the reason that I'm getting my passport renewed is obviously it's running out, but there's an exciting trip that I'm heading on next year, which I haven't actually mentioned on here yet, and I'm so excited. We're going to Australia from February to March, so we're actually going for 4 weeks, which I'm so buzzing about. We haven't made any plans yet, literally all I've done is find an Airbnb. But yeah, I'm so excited, so I need to go get my passport sorted out for that. And yeah, hopefully the photo won't be too atrocious. Right, I've got the goods, they're terrible. Should I share them with you? Probably not, but I'm going to. It is, nope. No, I'm not going to, they're awful. I mean, no, I mean, bad. Okay, I am gonna head off to Asda very quickly now, see what Christmas decorations we can find. On my way to Tesco's now. No, I'm already at Tesco's, we're going to Asda's. Right, that was an ordeal. Had a fight with the self-service machine, but we made it. Let's get home and I'll show you what I got. Why have you got a fork?
Lunch.
So I came back with meal deal, firstly. I also re-got my passport photos done outside of Asda. So the first ones I got done outside 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦's, inside 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦's, not outside 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦's. And they were atrocious. So then I got to Asda and realised that there was a photo booth that was there, which was even cheaper. Made a panic decision, got them redone, and they're still bad. So every evening when it gets starts to get dark and cold, the birds, like all the seagulls, fly from like one side of the cliff that we're like on the edge of to across our balcony and to the other side, and it looks so cool. I'll show you. It's gonna be cold. Oh Jesus, windy. So they go from over here to over up here and then around that way. Oh my god, how does this happen? Oh my god. Why did that happen? I thought I would show you some of the Christmas decorations we've got so far. Some of them I got from Asda, some I've got from other places. So let's check them out. Okay, so I'm going to take you through some of the Christmassy bits that I've got so far in preparation for Christmas. I've got a little collection here, so I'm going to show you through some of the stuff that I've gotten. Let's get started. Okay, so starting off strong with the wrapping paper. This year we've gone for like a full naturey, woodlandy kind of theme, and that goes across like the tree, all my decorations, wrapping, everything. So it's very like British winter woodland kind of theme. It just seemed cute. So this is from Flying Tiger. I love this because it's just so plain, but then you can also like jazz it up with rope and ribbon and stuff like that. So there's that one. And then I got these 3 from a Christmas market in Exeter. And there's 2 designs. So there's the little like green hearts, which I thought was adorable. And then also these full wintry like wildlife theme here. It's got like the little bird footprints, and I think they're deer footprints as well. Hoof prints. So cute. I love these so much. I actually don't even want to use them. Maybe I'll just like put them on the wall and stare at them. So to go along with that, I also got this string. It's just a plain green, like ropey string. I'm so excited. It's like, does anyone else just get like irrationally excited about wrapping presents, or is it just me? I've been raiding the supermarkets for various Christmas decorations just because usually they're a little bit cheaper. And something that I got from Tesco's was this little guy. How cute is he? I literally saw him and I was like, I cannot not get him. And he goes with the theme, the like woodlandy kind of theme, and I love him. He's so cute. Now I got some lights as well. So I got this pine cone garland, if you can see in the box here. This was from Asda and it was a £5, so not bad at all. We're actually having everyone over to our flat for Christmas, and I've never done that before. Mentally, I'm prepared. Like, I have lists on lists, but then I know that like the last day I'll be like panicking like a mad woman. And I've also never cooked a Christmas dinner, so this could be really entertaining. But the house will look pretty. So of course you can't just have one set of lights. I've got a second set of lights. These ones, like, I actually wasn't going to get them. I was only going to get the pine cones. But then I saw these again in Asda, and they were only a £5, and they looked really cute because they're little houses, but the lights are like inside and they glow through the house, and I just thought that was so adorable. Next up, I have some more bits from Flying Tiger. These are some little candy canes that I found. Adorable. I'm planning on making all of the guests coming like a little stocking with like little stocking fillers inside. I got these little lint bears to put inside the stockings. So, oh no, one of them's died. Look, this one's been stabbed. I had to buy extra ones, although these are obviously reindeers and not bears. I had to buy extra ones because there was an odd number. Now we have 4 bears. We're a bear down. I think I got them from Tesco's, but you could probably find stuff like this anywhere. Also from Flying Tiger, I got these gift stickers. And like, I just thought they'd be so perfect, these little ones to like write names on and stick to the presents. There's all different ones. I'm only just now realising that they're actually not that great for writing names on. Also, I'm going to do a lot of baking for Christmas, I think. I've got these cute little, these cookie cutters. Oh, where did I get them from? Sainsbury's. And how perfect are they for like Christmas baking? There's like a few different sizes. All these different sizes. So, oh my god, they're not attached. So you can make like lots of little gingerbread men. Adorable. But if you can't be bothered to bake, I have found the perfect alternative. If you go into Flying Tiger and look out for these cookies, they taste like this sort of traditional like German ginger biscuits, but the packaging looks like this. They're little heart-shaped cookies and they are amazing. And if you place them on a plate, you can tell people you baked them. Last items we got from Flying Tiger are these. Now, I was looking for an alternative to like the traditional advent calendar, and I know I am very far behind. I think we're just going to save them for another random time because I've been too busy to actually do this, but it's advent gift boxes, and I absolutely love this idea because you can fill them with whatever you want, and you can do it as like a special gift for like your partner or your parent or your brother or sister or whoever you want. Basically, it's these little like cardboard boxes shaped as houses, and they have like each like date number on each of those, and then you just fill it with whatever you want. It could be like a note or a sweet or a chocolate or like even like a little gift, and they open one a day, and I think that's such a cute idea. So we intended to do this, but as per usual, I am late. Okay, now for the best bit. All of the little baubles and different like tree decorations that I've found so far. I don't actually have that many, but I do have a few, so let's get into it. Start with the basic lights. I got these ones, I think from, where did I get them from? Oh my god. Morrison's, it says on the box. Oh, something I got from H&M was these paper ornaments. It's a 6-pack and they're so cute. They're all like green and sparkly gold around the edges, and I love them. They were $9.99. These guys, we got these like little reindeers. I mean, they go with the theme and they're damn cute. I also got this little mushroom as well because that is perfectly on brand and on theme. So, 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦 carrying on with the felt decoration train. We've got these two, both dinosaurs. This one is what I can only assume is a stegosaurus. Dinosaur knowledge. With a hat on. Don't know why, but he's smiling, so we'll go with it. Then we've got this one, 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦. He again is very happy. Little spots and the little string as well. There's only 2 more felt decorations. I need an intervention. This one was a gift, so I can't be blamed for this one. This was from my best friend. She found a sloth. How cute is he? He reminds me of Costa Rica, so I do love him. I think he was about $5.99, something like that. So a little bit more expensive, but very cute. And like, I just saw it and was like, I can't not. So yeah, so he's also going on the tree. Final decoration or Christmas item that I've currently bought was these baubles from Asda. They are filled with dried flowers. You've got the pink ones there. They're actually quite big as well. So like, they're like palm sized. These were £3 each, and I got 2 of those, and I got them because I like the flowers, but also because they're quite big, so I can actually fill a bit more of the tree because all my other decorations are quite small. So guys, that is everything that I've bought so far for Christmas, but there's a lot more to come. We're also going to be sharing a vlog on our favourite board games. We're going to be decorating the tree. We're also going on a few little trips as well, trying to bring the travel element back into these daily vlogs. In terms of my normal vlogs, there's going to be loads. We've still got loads of America vlogs, going to Australia, and also Atlanta next year, so that should be fun. There's so much to come on my channel. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you want to see. If you've enjoyed this, then please do subscribe. I really hope that these videos are bringing you at least the smallest of smiles. But for now, this is Vlogmas day 5, and I will see you tomorrow.